ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ಸಿಎಸ್ಡಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ ದಿನದ ಶೂನ್ಯ ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯ ಶೃಂಗಸಭೆಯನ್ನ ಸಂಸತ್ ಸದಸ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಜಯದೇವ ಹೃದ್ರೋಗ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ಮಾಜಿ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಿಎನ್ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ರವರು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು. ಮಾಜಿ ಐಎಎಸ್ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಾದ ಉಪೇಂದ್ರ ತ್ರಿಪಾಠಿ, ಕೆ ಜಯರಾಜ್, ಮಾಜಿ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಎಸ್ಡಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎ ರವೀಂದ್ರ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಎಸ್ಡಿ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಈ ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
And academic institutions are now addressing the socio-economic transition, the challenges attached to energy transitions, and efforts are directed towards ensuring the transition remains equitable and inclusive. The role of academic institutions are very crucial here. IIT Kanpur, that has been established in 1959, is leading national hub of research and innovations, and it maintains a balance between the fundamental as well as the applied sciences. And Just Transition Research Center, which is situated at IIT Kanpur, founded by Professor Pradeep Swanagar in the year 2021, aims to explore the clean energy pathways that are environmentally sustainable and socially just. So it brings together the interdisciplinary expertise to study human and policy dimensions of the decarbonization, especially in the fossil fuel dependent regions. IIT Kanpur also hosts several other centers and initiatives focused on the technological aspects of the innovation and sustainability, which reflects that India...
Thank you, Dr. Preeta. As we move towards India's net zero 2070, it's clear that the way forward lies way ahead, and research and innovation plays a major role. So it's a synergy between academia, industry, and other NGOs collaboration, which would play a major role. So next question would be for Mr. Amarnath. KANNADA has played a pivotal role in...
I would just like to quote our experience at KANNADA Solar Park. So wherein entire barren land, say up to around 12,700 acres, which was at one...
Yeah, my name is Dr. Srinivas. I am Director for Center for Sustainable Development, which is a 22-year-old organization working in the area of sustainable development. This summit, which is the third Sustainability Leadership Summit, is being organized with the theme of Net Zero, India achieving its targets. As you know, climate change has become important, and India is committed to achieving the net zero targets by 2070. So what have we done? How are we progressing? The challenges to achieve this net zero. The summit is focusing on that. We have identified 4 main themes for the summit. So one is just transition. Just transition means how the energy transition is happening to renewable energy, and whether the poor people are able to access it based on equity. That is the purpose of the just transition. Second is on the skilling. We may have a lot of policies and programs, but to implement we need the skills. So do we have the adequate skills to implement this net zero and sustainable development? That is the second topic. The third one is about sustainable financing. So as you know, financing today is a big challenge, especially for sustainability projects and the clean technologies. There is no separate financing or such kind of major incentives. So how will the sustainable technologies be invested in? So from debt-based investment, we want to move to equity-based investment. So the sustainability financing will focus on the equity base. So whether people are going to invest or profitable. That is the purpose of the third theme. And the last one, we have governance and disclosure. So here the main focus is whether the companies, whether even government agencies, they are declaring what they are doing on this net zero or on the climate change. Because there is a lot of talk that big companies, even mid-sized companies, they are committed, they are doing so many things, especially IT companies, they are data servers. They are huge guzzlers of energy and water also. Whether these people are disclosing what they are doing and in what form this reporting is happening to the public. That is also very important. So that is why the governance and disclosure is the fourth important theme of this. So we hope, and we also are bringing out something called as a Bangalore Declaration on Net Zero. So wherein we want to bring all the stakeholders, especially the voice of the people, the private sector, the student community who are largely over here. And we have also invited some startups who are brought in some innovative products in climate to set up some stall. They will also be sharing their experiences during the course of this. We have invited a lot of colleges from across India. There are 4 colleges from out of Karnataka and 4 colleges from within Karnataka, and a number of other students from different colleges within Bangalore also, who are participating in this summit, where we also had a separate youth conclave yesterday called the National Youth Conclave on Climate Change. So that is mainly for the students to deliberate on international issues related to climate change. So we are hoping that this Bangalore Declaration will attract more people to come forward and give their commitment to climate change. As we heard morning, all the distinguished guests, including Dr. Manjunath and how everything around us is interrelated to climate. So there was a very good example here given that in Iceland they discovered 3 mosquitoes, and then they said in a country where there was no mosquitoes, today they have discovered 3 mosquito means that climate change is actually happening even in Iceland. So like that we have to be aware of our environment and what changes it is actually taking place, and we must ensure that this change does not affect our health. The most important thing is how the pollution is causing the heart attacks was also brought about by So although we take it very casually, I think we should become more serious, and the effort of the summit is
ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26 ಕನ್ನಡ. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ.